with SaNiiTy and I like cheese. And Dave will be showing you how to get on top of that big boat. Okay. First, someone has to get in the goat, right up against the back wall, just opposite the little gap. Then, stand right at the top of the goat, and the goat driver has to put the boost button on straight over to the window. And then while you're in midair, close enough to the boat to jump, and you should land on the platform. Aaron, you ready? Okay, let's go. Good luck, Moses. That wasn't very nice. Ah, yay. You mean person. Ah! Yay! Yeah. Hey, I found a hornet! Big up there, wheels, like you just all you have to do is off quick take. At least one person is up there, you can just throw yourself in and you'll end up there too. There's 2 holes in the roof, and if you jump down in, you'll find yourself in the cabin. Not very homey. And there's also a cool poster on the wall. Like up there. No! Alright. Everyone got already. Stand there. Stand right there. Go. Standing up there, you have to get there. No, he keeps hiding in this one spot. You fucking jump where I tell you to fucking jump. double jumping down there. No. Okay, to go. Oh. Come on, Norman, work with me. Oh, I just told it 20 seconds. Let's go. Oh my word, no, you did it again. Seriously. Oh, what the? I told him that.
Oh, really that? Not really that.
Hold on. Yeah, no, why are you hitting me down? Come on in here. There's no room.
I tell you the truth.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, I'm in. I can't.
One down, one to go.
Ah, what the frick? What is it?
I'm going to the other one.
Yeah. Stop, look off.
I look so retarded. Your end is formed after the vehicle is blown off.
Stop, look off.
Both AA raids have been neutralized. Stand by. Something big closing in on your location.
Man! What the frick? Why are you killing us though?
Scarab, find some cover, now!
Oh, what the heck? Oh, my God.
Like everyone in here.
Oh,
Where are you?
weird.
There, right there. Then there's like weak monkeys to go on.
Yeah. We have to bring on our passengers.